Hello my dear students, and let me welcome you all for your preparation for Maharashtra State Board exams with Unacademy. So now my dear students, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Shagufta Jaipuri. I am an author. I do write a lot of children books, a lot of motivational books. I am an educator from past 13 years. So I've taught in some of the best schools and institutions all over Maharashtra in my past 13 years of teaching experience. Okay. I am a mentor, coach and a YouTuber as well. I have a channel, Zenith Academy Online, very famous for ICSE and CBSE students, and now for you all I am there on Unacademy only. Okay my dear students. Also, I am an entrepreneur. I am the director of Zenith Academy Online. I have done my masters in nuclear and radiochemistry, done my B.Ed, done my diploma in industrial analytical chemistry, and have won many awards in education field. Okay. Even in my research time, I have presented my research papers in many national and international conferences. I have also corrected board papers for SSC students, so I'll be in a very good position to help you write the best board papers without any mistakes. So now let's begin with today's lecture. Today we are going to learn the construction of incircle of a triangle. So students, let's start the construction of incircle of a triangle. Before starting the construction, let me tell you what is incircle of a triangle. So any circle which touches all the three sides of a triangle is known as incircle of that triangle. So suppose there is a triangle ABC, okay, and there is this circle with center O. Now can you see this circle is touching line AB, that is side AB at this point, say P, BC at point Q and AC at point R. So any circle that touches all the three sides of a triangle at one point each is known as incircle. Now let's construct incircle. So my dear children, for construction of incircle, first you will be given the dimensions of the triangle. I have already explained you how to construct a triangle. So I'll roughly take any triangle here. So let me take a triangle like this. I am making a big triangle so that you understand the concept really well. Okay. So suppose this is my triangle. Okay. This is my triangle A, B, C of given measurement. You might be given this angle or this side, whatever. तो आपको कोई भी मेजरमेंट दे रखा होगा और आपको फर्स्ट ये ट्राइंगल बनाना है, उसके बाद इस ट्राइंगल का इनसर्कल बनाना है. ओके. सो नाउ फॉर दिस फर्स्ट यू विल हैव टू ड्रॉ द एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स. तो कोई भी दो एडजेसेंट नेबरिंग एंगल्स ले लेने हैं. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग एंगल बी एंड एंगल सी. ओके. हमेशा कोशिश करो कि बेस एंगल्स लो, डायग्राम बहुत नीट बनेगा. देन ओपन योर कंपास. Okay. First, when you are keeping the pencil inside, make sure that this point and this point are in the straight line. Keep it on the desk and then check. This should be sharpened. Now open it a little bit. Okay. Keep the point at B and draw an arc. Okay. Now I have already shown you how to draw the angle bisector. If you have doubts, you can go and watch that video again. So I have drawn that arc. Now I can increase it a bit और सेम भी रहेगा तो भी चलेगा, चेंज भी कर सकते हैं. अब ये पॉइंट यहाँ लगाना है जहाँ पे इस आर्क ने इस लाइन को बाइसेक्ट, इस लाइन को इंटरसेक्ट किया है. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे ये पॉइंट लगाना है और एक आर्क बनाना है. ना कीपिंग द सेम मेजरमेंट, ये पॉइंट अब यहाँ लगाना है. ठीक है. और इसको कट करो. अंडरस्टूड. Now simply join the vertex B and this point with a dotted line. So this line is basically the angle bisector of angle B. Okay, so I have drawn a dotted line and kept. Now I will draw an angle bisector of C. Watch again very carefully. Open it. Keep the pointer at C. Draw an arc. Now you can change the measurement या फिर ऐसे ही रहने दो तो भी चलेगा. Now keeping this pointer here, okay, draw an arc. Now keeping this here, cut the previous arc. Now you can join this vertex C and this point. This is the angle bisector. Now my dear children, you have to extend this line so that it meets your previous line. Okay. इन दोनों लाइंस को एक्सटेंड करके यहाँ मीट करवाना है ना. सो दिस पॉइंट इज योर सेंटर ऑफ योर सर्कल. ओके, O. So now we have got the center of the circle. What will be its radius? For this, open this, keep the pointer here. Okay. Now cut our line, our base line BC at two different points. और यू कैन ड्रॉ अ फुल आर्क एज वेल. ऐसे पूरा आर्क भी बना सकते हो या फिर दो तरफ कट करके भी रख सकते हो. एनीवेज, गॉट इट. नाउ कीपिंग दिस पॉइंटर हियर. ओके, अब आप चेंज कर सकते हो मेजरमेंट, बट मैंने सेम मेजरमेंट में रखा है. ड्रॉ एन आर्क हियर, कीपिंग द सेम measurement and keeping the pointer here. Now cut this. तो एक्चुअली हम क्या बना रहे हैं? वी आर ड्रॉइंग द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर लाइन बना रहे हैं टू BC. नाउ जॉइन दिस O and this point. So wherever this line meets your BC, okay, mark it, say by D. तो ये OD जो होगा अब रेडियस होगा आपके इन सर्कल का, राइट. सो विद द सेंटर O and the radius as OD, you draw a circle. So what you will do? You will keep this point at O. Okay, इसको एडजस्ट करना है ताकि ये D पे टच हो जाए. Okay, and then keeping this firm here, you draw the circle. You draw the full circle. Okay. Now this circle is not touching here exactly because my pencil was not sharpened enough. So you try doing this 2 to 3 times. You'll be perfect at it. So students, before we go ahead with the lecture, let me announce Winners Week. This is Pucho or Jeeto. You just have to ask 10 doubts on Ask a Doubt feature and get 15 days of free plus subscription. Yes, my dear children. It's valid from 15th to 21st November 2021. The link is there in the description below. So children, you all know already the features of Ask a Doubt, isn't it? You can ask unlimited doubts for free, get high quality video solutions in English and Hindi, obtain instant and accurate solutions to lakhs of questions, and you can ask doubt anytime 24/7. Also receive exact matches for questions by experts, and that's how you can get assistance with your homework and your exams as well. So children, now these are the steps to ask a doubt, to use Ask a Doubt feature. So go on to the doubts and solutions feature on your home screen, then click on Ask a Doubt, and then upload the image and crop the image and highlight your particular question, and then choose the subject that the question falls under. So students, what are you waiting for? Download the app right now and use my unlock code SJMAMLive and get free, absolutely free subscription for 15 days. So children, let's revise. So I'm drawing the in circle again, just taking any triangle. Now drawing two angle bisectors here. Now after drawing the angle, I will take this pointer here, make an arc, take this point here, cut the previous arc. I hope this is visible. Now join this with a dotted line. Again, making another angle bisector here, drawing the arc like this, taking this point here, This line is so thick, so mine might not come correct, but you have to make use of a sharpened pencil. Can you see? Now just simply join these two. Can you see? They are meeting here. So we have already got the center O. Now we have to make a perpendicular from here to this base. So what you will do, keep the pointer here, stretch it a bit so that you are able to make 2 marks or the full arc. So I have made the full arc this time, keeping the point at this point where this arc has met our line segment. I draw an arc. Now keeping the same measurement, keeping the point here, okay, I cut the previous arc. Let me join this O and this with a dotted line. Okay, now this is the point OD, that is my radius, okay, because this is now perpendicular distance. So this perpendicular distance of the center from this side is OD. If I draw a perpendicular, this will be equal and this perpendicular will also be equal. So now let's take this center O and this is now our radius. Now try to draw the circle. So easily the circle is made. Okay, children. So I'll darken it a bit so that you're able to see it properly. So now can you see that this circle is touching all the sides of the triangle? Sorry. The circle is touching all the sides, all the 3 sides of a triangle at one point. Okay. So this was in circle. Students, whenever you are in doubt, always ask Unacademy. So there's Ask a Doubt feature available to all the learners of Maharashtra board. So download the app right now. Okay. Now on your app, you can ask the doubt 24/7. Okay. So here your app looks like this. Okay. Here there is a tab of doubts and solutions. Click on that tab. Okay. Click on Ask a Doubt. Can you see here? Ask a Doubt. Okay. Then it would be like a WhatsApp chat. Click the picture of your doubt and send it, and then click on View Solution. Okay. Click on View Solution and you will find the answer immediately. Now children, there is an amazing feature, that is Raise a Hand feature, available on Unacademy platform. So on the app, for all the Plus and the Iconic students, that is for those students who have taken the subscription, this icon is there. So this is Raise a Hand option, in which the students can ask live audio doubts in the class. What do you mean by that? So when I am explaining a particular question, okay, and if a student has some doubt in a particular step, so they can ask the doubt immediately in their own voice and I can clear the doubt then and there. Otherwise what happens usually in an online class is the students write in the comment box, और जब तक टीचर वो सम सॉल्व ही कर देती है और फिर कमेंट बॉक्स देखती है तो स्टूडेंट का डाउट ही रह जाता है, राइट, एंड द टीचर गोज अहेड, okay, and he is not able to understand the doubt. So the Raise a Hand option is an amazing feature. Especially it is very good for mathematics, because the student can ask doubt at that very instant and get the doubts cleared. So that is why I tell all my students to take the Plus subscription and use my code SJMAMLive to get an additional 10% discount. Now let me also tell you about different batch courses that are going on in Unacademy. So there's this Alpha batch, which is a full syllabus batch delivered in English. That is the mode of instruction of the teachers would be in English. I am teaching maths there on Monday, Wednesday and Friday 4 to 5 p.m. for class 9. Then an amazing science educator, Aradhna Gupta ma'am, takes up science, and Malia Rastogi ma'am takes up English. Okay, so all three of us are the top educators in our own fields: Shagufta ma'am, Aradhna ma'am and Malia ma'am. Okay, so go ahead and enroll in this batch. This batch will end at 31st December. Also, there are different batches going on in Unacademy. So those who are not very conversant in English can attend these batches in Hindi. So this is a mission term to all subject batch taken by Jay Mehta sir, Mantasha Khan ma'am, Nilima Roy ma'am and Ajit Chavan sir. Okay. Also, for those who want to learn in Marathi, there is this batch, mission term 2 batch for maths, science and English, taken up by Tejal Parab ma'am, Yogesh Sonavne sir and Ajit Chavan sir. So these are the amazing batch courses going on. Also, I would like to inform you all lovely students about the free test series which is happening every Wednesday and Saturday. Now these test series are absolutely free of cost on the app. It happens every Wednesday and Saturday for the free students, and for the plus students, that is those who have taken subscription, it is every Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday. So for all of you, you can download the app now and start giving this test series. So the best part of Unacademy test series is that you get instant evaluation, you get your result, and immediately after the test, there will be an educator assigned to you, okay, who will explain you all these questions very well. So if you have doubt in any of these questions of the test series, वो भी उसी वक्त solve हो जाता है, because an educator sits with you and explains you all the questions very well. Okay, so this is very helpful, dear children. The duration for the test is 30 minutes and the number of questions is 12. So 12 questions is only half an hour test. So send your brain to gyms and keep on giving these tests on Unacademy. Also, right now there is this offer going on, children. So there's an offer for plus subscribers. If you want to take up the plus subscription, there is exciting mega offers for Maharashtra board students of class 9 to 12. So if you buy 12 months of your subscription, you get 6 months of the subscription free. And if you buy 24 month subscription, you get 6 months of subscription free, and this is only for first 1000 subscribers. Also, if you use my code SJMAMLive, okay, you get an additional 10% discount on the subscription. So let me tell you that these are the subscription plans. Suppose you are in class 9 and you want to buy for class 9 and 10 both. So if you buy for 24 months, okay, it is around 20,000 rupees. Okay, and if you use my code SJMAMLive, approximately 2,000 rupees will be subtracted, and in 18,000 rupees you will be able to study for 2 years. That is 1 year for 9,000 rupees only. Full academic year in 9,000, and you get to learn from the top educators of India. You get notes in PDF, you get to solve a lot of question banks, lot of sample papers, lot of quizzes, tests happening. Okay. And you can attend multiple classes. You can attend my class, you can attend someone else's class. Okay, every educator is open to you. You can attend any class at your own convenience in just 9,000 rupees. Isn't that amazing, my dear children? So don't forget to use my code SJMAMLive here in the gift section below. So here it is written, add a referral code. So here you add my referral code and get the additional 10% discount. Also, join my Telegram channel now. Okay, on Telegram channel, search this Shagufta Jaipuri SSC. Okay, if you search this, you'll be able to enroll, you will be able to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I will keep on sharing with you important stuff, your certificates that you win in the class, my class timetable and everything, so that you don't miss any of my classes. Okay, so what are you guys waiting for, children? Go ahead and subscribe to Unacademy Plus. You can choose from a lot of payment methods like pay in parts, card, net banking, UPI, wallet, EMI, cash. You can also pay in installments for more than 12 months of subscription, and also there's an option of zero cost EMIs available. So my dear children, let's crack it on Unacademy. Bye bye and have a fruitful day.